Hello, guys. This is Sanjana from the beautiful city of Brussels. So, today we went to the Dog Olympics 2026 that was happening in Bois de la Cambre in Brussels. And इसके बारे में बहुत सारा reels मैंने देखा, and the events details were provided through websites and many, Instagram accounts, social media stuff and all. So we, being pet parents, we were so excited because something like this is much needed for my pet to feel free. तो हम लोग प्लान करे and we were supposed to meet Anisha and family. So हम लोग यहाँ से we took a bus and we went to Bois de la Cambre with Mishi, and look how pretty this place looks. कितने सारे events हो रहे थे. It just started and हम लोग directly we went to this police outpost that they were showcasing the canine unit, their abilities, what they do, how they react, their canine. Oh my god, this is something that was, I was so impressed by, and everybody was here. सब लोग यहीं पे भीड़ जमा के बैठे थे, and they were looking at, the demonstrations that was given by the police. This dog is called Belgian Malinois, which is a breed out here, and it is one of the most beautiful breeds that I've seen. And I've seen most of the Belgian people have this dog. And I'll tell you one thing, कि ये लोग off leash घूमते हैं. They are so well trained, they are so well behaved that even leave the canine unit, ये तो police dog है, they are trained okay. But normally parks में मैं जाती हूँ, these dogs are so big, है ना, compared to other dogs, and इतने dogs आते हैं, but these just walk off leash. इनको कोई बांध के नहीं रखता. They just walk with the owner, उनकी बातें सुनते हैं, and they're so well trained, they won't go and attack other dogs and all. So a very good, very loyal breed. I was in awe looking at this. I mean, check it out. How well trained these dogs are. ये लोग इसको मतलब I can't tell you कि हम लोग जो देख रहे थे ना live, and it was crazy because he was एक police officer आ रहा था. They had their dog and they were giving commands and the dog was following. And this man, he is wearing that Mora jacket because to, demonstrate the things that take place and how the dogs react to criminals and stuff. So he was the bait and he was trying to showcase कि ये dogs कितने powerful है. So we all, I think, मतलब बहुत सारा post था जहाँ पे dogs खेल रहे and all that, but I think the crowd was out here. Everybody was here watching these people, demonstrate, how good, how loyal, how beautifully trained these dogs are, and look at their faces. आप देखो. And we were vouching for the dog. I mean, I can tell you, we were like, हम लोग देख रहे थे and we were like appreciating, तालियां बज रही थी. And इसके आजू बाजू भी, like, we had Mishi with us and she was shouting, looking at the scuffle going on, and there were other dogs that were reacting to this, but the police canine dogs, they were not distracted at all, even by the dogs का इतना barking, इतने dogs हो रहे, आजू बाजू कुछ भी हो रहा है, but they were focused in their job, and that shows like how reliable a dog is. And we were talking about it कि देखो भाई कि इतने dogs is इनके आसपास में, and they were like trying to shout, bark, do whatever is needed. Those were not that trained, but these dogs were so focused. उनको बस अपने मालिक से लेना देना है, उनका काम से they have to catch the criminal if they're misbehaving, if they're doing so. There were scenarios where they were even sniffing out कौन से bags में trucks and all that happened. And then now this man, it was showcasing like अगर एक पुलिस जाए and they try to talk with someone suspicious and वो they don't agree or they don't cooperate, तो फिर ये लोग dogs को छोड़ते हैं, and that happens. So these were the little demonstrations that were showcased. There was this एक dummy pistol भी था that was used to showcase कि अगर इनके पास gun हो तो how the dogs react. So we saw everything and we were like, oh my god, I wish Like these dogs were amazing. And we were like, अभी कहीं जा भी नहीं रहे थे, इतना कुछ इवेंट हो रहा था. It's a dog Olympics. I mean, भर भर के you can see pets and parents and everyone, so much crowd, but we were still focusing on this demonstration because ये छोटा कुछ देर के लिए होने वाला था. These people, you know, they are time efficient, so they were showcasing this and they will leave early. ये आए थे सिर्फ इनके लिए and we are so grateful that we got to see this. So हम लोग क्या किए, we got all our picnic stuff, we sat down, we got our food, हम लोग बैठ के थोड़ा chill करे and then we packed everything up और हम लोग चल पड़े to see the race that was supposed to happen. इस रेस में कोई भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है, लेकिन द प्रॉब्लम इज़ लाइक यू नो मोस्ट ऑफ दिस पीपल आर वेल ट्रेन्ड. इट वाज अ 5 किलोमीटर रेस एंड ऐसे धूप में गर्मी में अगर आप सोचो कि आपके डॉग को आप हर दिन रन पे नहीं ले जाते हो, यू जस्ट वॉक देम एंड सडनली यू वांट टू टेक देम फॉर अ रन, सो यू नो दैट कुड अफेक्ट देयर हेल्थ. सो इसी वजह से मैंने या आकाश ने वी डिडंट पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस, क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो द डॉग्स दैट आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग ये मोस्टली यहाँ पे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रन पे आते हैं. बिकॉज यू नो बर्स de la Cambre इज अ बिग फॉरेस्ट एरिया. इट्स लाइक बहुत ही बड़ा पार्क है. वी हैव मे बी एक्सप्लोर्ड 1% ऑफ इट बिकॉज इट्स वेरी बिग. देयर आर बिगर ट्रेल्स आउट हियर जहाँ पे यू नो पीपल रन एंड दे टेक देयर डॉग्स फॉर रन, दे प्रैक्टिस. सो इसीलिए ओनली फ्यू पीपल हु आर यू नो worth to run, they decided to take part in this race. मतलब it was open to all, आप register करके कर सकते थे, but actually most of the people, most of the dogs, they didn't. It was strictly professional and I loved, you know, the people they were taking part. And fortunately you saw the man with the blue t-shirt, the first one with the border collie, the black and white one, वही जीता है ये रेस. तो we were just cheering for them and we were supporting and we were you know enjoying the dog Olympics. So यहाँ पे ये लोग बहुत सारे कैंप जैसा बना के रखा था where different things was you know showcased, especially health के लिए. You know there were posts where doctors were there if you want to you know talk with them, you know behavioral some experts were there, so you had a lot that you could do out here, you could check it out. So we were also checking out those places. बहुत जगह पे like they were giving I think free grooming हो रहा था. You know you could talk it out अगर आपके pets को कोई problem है कुछ भी है. So there were people, there were certified people with whom you could you know talk and you know try to get a solution for anything that your pet is going through. So it was really nice. There was food trucks and this was the place where you know they were getting the medals and the cups for you know winning this. So you see this border collie I was talking about. So again I'm sorry, ye second हुए थे and the first one was the Belgian Malinois hai. You see what I'm talking about. I mean this particular breed is so well known out here and it is actually one of the best dog breeds that I you know saw out here. So trained, so nice. I mean hats off, kudos to this you know beautiful breed. And मेरे लिए सारे dogs same है, so I don't actually go and you know appreciate only one sort of breed. चाहे जितने भी हो, trained हो, not trained, whatever. I love dogs and I was checking out and this is my baby Mishi. She was enjoying, she was in love क्योंकि यही तो है उनका life. इतना छोटा सा life है and they get to see something जहाँ पे they get to see other dogs and you know इतना बड़ा जगह है, they could you know move around, you know be themselves. और क्या चाहिए हम लोग को. So थोड़ी देर के लिए we checked out the chateau, you know यहाँ पे मैं आपको पहले ले आ चुकी हूँ जब it was snowing. So yeah, this is one of my favorite places to be honest. So we were you know taking some pictures and we were talking about you know other plans because abhi summer mein you know events hote rehte, there's a lot to do. And then we got into the bus and we went home. And the best part about Europe, you can take your pets everywhere in any public transport. So yeah, चलिए आज का व्लॉग मैं यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. मैं मिलती हूँ आपको अगले व्लॉग में. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.